In this video, we're going to go through the process of building a double conic structure and then looking at the simplest way to produce panels from the model. So to start, we're using here the Draw Conic tool in the model builders, the base of 5 meters, the diameter of the bale ring at the top of 500 millimeters, and a height of 1500, 1.5 meters. So roughly a 200-inch structure. We'll build the model. So here MPanel has added a 3D polyline that represents the fixed bale ring and another 3D polyline that are the fixed points around the outsides, and then 4 individual meshes to make up the cone. I'm going to copy all of this and add the two together. Now, as a conic structure with multiple meshes, we're going to use the joined edge mesh relax. We've got multiple meshes, so joined mesh relax. And because it's a conic, we're going to select variable warp stress. This will automatically increase the stress in the threads as the threads get closer and closer together. This gives us a much more natural shape for a conic. We'll apply that, select everything, and relax. And we can see up the top here that we have a fully relaxed model. And we look at this in front view. Now, looking in plan view, we can see we have a kink in the seam here between these two meshes. This is part of the MPanel routine to even out the mesh spacing. However, this edge is not ideal as a seam edge, which prevents us using the simple tool to panel a complete mesh to split this up into multiple panels because we'd end up with undesirable seam edges. So a new tool was introduced into MPanel to straighten joined edges. So if we select this tool, apply, select everything, and relax again, and we can see now these edges are now completely straight. So it's now quite possible for us to take a complete set of meshes, make a copy, and use the very simple tool panel a complete mesh. And here I've got it set to number of panels 3, and there we've instantly created all of the panels in a single function. We then proceed normally with compensation, seam allowances, panel stamping, and the output function. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact support@mpanel.com.